Datatract enables you to extract data from PDF files or other documents in order to automate data entry and account reconciliation in your favorite accounting application. In this product demonstration, we will use Sage 50 accounting, starting with a blank database, which we will fill in using Amyuni Datatract. We will start by opening a PDF file containing accounting entries. Then we will open an associated profile, which contains the information on how to extract the data from the PDF file. We start by extracting the data. Click on Check Statement. Once we verified that there are no errors in the statement, we continue by clicking on Extract to Accounting. Now we can go back to our accounting package, refresh, and verify that the data has been all imported into the accounting. Next, we're going to process an American Express credit card statement. In this case, there are various things we're going to do. First, some entries might already be in the accounting. So for these entries, all we're going to do is reconcile the entries. Other entries might be missing from the accounting, in which case we're going to add them to our accounting. Once we open the statement, we open the associated profile, and again we click on Extract Data. After extracting the data, we check the statement again. Here, all the items in green are items that we have found in the accounting. Items that are not in green, these are missing. Datatract can add them automatically for us. But in order for Datatract to add the entry, we need to provide some additional information, such as the account ID associated with the entry. So we're going to open the list of accounts. This list actually comes from our accounting plan. We open the list of accounts, we select the expense class, and we select telephone and communications account. Let's take a quick look at how the reconciliation data looks like in the accounting. So we can see here that we have very few items compared to the statement, and none of them is actually reconciled. So we go back to Datatract and click on Export to Accounting, which it's going to export all these items to the accounting. We can see here that the export stopped with an error on item 2. And we need to fix that error. So the error here is that this account 5600 is not a valid account, is a group account and not valid as a destination account. So we change it to a different account and click again on Export to Accounting in order to export all the data. We can see here that the last two items are still enabled, meaning for these two items, Datatract doesn't know actually what to do with them because we haven't provided an account ID, so we're going to leave them for later. Back to the accounting and the reconciliation window, we can see now that all the entries have been cleared and the missing entries have been added automatically by Datatract. We still have an unresolved amount of 8915, which corresponds to these two items that we were not able to resolve. In this case, it's up to the accountant to find the respective invoices and fix the issue. Now we're going to look at another type of statement, which is a bank account statement. It's quite similar to the credit card statement, except that in this case, we're going to show you how one item on the bank account statement can correspond to multiple items in the accounting. This is a very common occurrence. Now here, the software automatically found the related entries and is asking us to confirm that we do want to continue with these. So again, we have some unresolved items. Okay, let's look at the reconciliation for the bank account. And we can see here these two entries that were grouped together and cleared by a single entry on the statement. Now we're going to quickly show you what does the profile look like. So we can click on the layout, what we call the layout editor, and we can see how this profile is built. What's interesting here is that for each field we can define formulas by using Microsoft VB language in order to do complex operations when extracting the data. We would like to thank you for following this presentation and hope to see you soon on Amyuni.com.